Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name here is Amelia Hardworking. Go and search for Amelia Hardworking and please subscribe, okay? And yeah, so guys, it's morning here in Kenya. So good morning wherever you are. Good afternoon, good evening. Yeah, wherever you are, anytime. I don't know what's the time, but here in Kenya, it's morning, okay? Yeah, so today guys, it's a new day and it looks like it's so exciting day. And yeah, I have something to do here and I decided to share with you guys. So today guys, I'm going to prepare beans and to just to boil. Okay, I'm going to boil beans and green grams. And guys, I have this style that you don't have to bother yourself to boil separately. So I have this style that you can boil all together. You take the beans, you wash the beans, you put inside the sufuria, and then you wash the green grams, you put it here. I'm going to show you. You see this? Yeah, you put inside those nylon papers, and then you take the toothpick, and then you start to, yeah, you start to, how do you call it? I'm going to show you guys. So that is the style I decided, and I want to boil them using the jiko. Yeah, I'm going to use the jiko, the charcoal, and I'm going to show you how I normally do. When you decide to use the gas is going to be finished. So I have to do what? To save the gas. I have to save the gas. Guess nowadays everything is, you know, there is nothing that you can buy in. How do we call this, guys? I don't even how to say it, but yeah. So I'm going to do this and let me show you. I'm going to wash. I just want to show you. After showing you, I'm going to wash. And guys, washing them, I'm not going to. Hey guys, I decided to pause the video because the airplane was passing and I could not continue with the video. So guys, as I was saying, I'm going to boil my beans together with the green grams. Not together. I'm not going to mix them. I'm going to boil in the same sufuria but separately. You will see how it will boil. And I'm going to use makaa. Makaa here in Kenya, it's Kiswahili and we call it charcoal. And yeah, that's what I'm going to use, a jiko. So I just want to wash, and because of that, I don't know if I'll take video washing them because I have no one here to hold the video and I have no place to put my camera to see for you to see where I'm washing them at the sink. So I will just pause the video. I wash first, but when I am finished washing, I'll continue and show you what I did. Okay, and then uh, doing other things, other stuffs out there. I'll be together with you. I'm going to do together with you guys, and please stay tuned. When you watch my videos, remember to watch until the end and remember to subscribe. Let us hit 1,000 subscribers and remember to like, share. Please like and share my videos, and please let me know what you think about the video, okay? And when you see anyone that you know, remember to tell him or her that you have someone here called Amelia Hardworking. Let them subscribe and watch my videos until the end. Don't watch and get tired, okay? So we are going to do this together, and let me show you what I'm going to do. So guys, you can see those are beans. This is beans. Yeah, this is beans. I just want to wash them. They are inside the water. I want to wash them very, very well. And this is the water in the sufuria. So you see this sufuria. Guys, you see this sufuria. This is the place where I'm going to wash beans and then I put inside here. And then you see this is green grams. Yeah, this is here in Kenya we call it ndengu. They are green grams, and I'm going to wash them also. After washing them, I'm going to, you see these peppers? These are nylon papers, and after washing these ones, I'm going to separate inside here, inside these papers, and then I'll take toothpick, and then I start to, in Kiswahili we call it kutoboa, and just small what holes, right? And after that, so that when it's boiling, water can enter inside the green grams inside here, and then it boiled very well, because when I don't do that with toothpick, I don't think if it can boil very well. And when I separate them, I put them inside here, I'm going to put inside here also, and then I make sure water is enough. So when I am finished doing that, I'm going to let you know, I'm going to show you what I did, because guys, now on I'm holding the camera, and now I want to start washing the beans, and I have no one to hold the phone for me, and I have to pause the video. After pausing, I finish washing them. I finish washing dengu, and then I put them inside here, and then when I put inside here all of them, I'm going to show you, and then we start preparing the jiko, and yeah, that is it. And then you are going to see everything. Please guys, watch until the end and support your girl Amelia Hardworking, and I'm going to appreciate. Watch my videos until the end, and remember to subscribe, like, please leave those likes, and please guys, remember to say something. Go to the comment section and please say something. And if you are watching my videos and you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? You have to subscribe until the end. Yeah. So guys, you see, I woke up early in the morning, and then I washed those utensils. You can see I washed them. Now I have to wet them to remove water. After removing water, and then I just arrange them. You see, and this thing here, this plastic here, you can see water that are coming from these utensils. They're dropping into this plastic. So after it has already dropped all of it, and then I take it, I pour it on the sink, and then I wash this. Yeah. So thank you so much, guys. Consider watching until the end. Let me wash the beans, wash the green grams, and then after that, I'm going to show you what I did, and we will continue doing other things together. Okay? Now, guys, I'm done doing that, and then let me show you what I did. And yeah, I hope you are going to like what I did, what I have done. I hope you are going to like it. And yeah, I'm just trying to, yeah, I'm done washing them. I'm done patting those green grams, and now I want to show you how I did, and then I'm going to mix all together into just one sufuria. Guys, I'm doing that because they are not for eating right today or right now. It's for like we are going to boil them. After boiling them, I'll put them into fridge. Yeah, I'll put them into fridge, and then when we want to eat something like rice, maybe chapatis, we are going to be removing what we want. Like if it's green grams, if it's beans, we will be removing from the fridge. So that's what I'm going to do. Please guys, just watch until the end, okay? Yeah, so see what I did now. So guys, you can see this is dengus. We call them dengu here in Kenya. It's Kiswahili. Dengu, it's Kiswahili. So you can see how I did, and yeah, there are only three of them like this, and um, this is the beans. You can see the beans, guys. Yeah, those are beans, and now even that water is not enough. Yeah, so that's beans, and this is green grams. Now I have to take the toothpick. I have to take the toothpick, and then what I'm doing it's like this, guys, so that when you cook them, when it's in the same sufuria with the beans, water can enter inside here, and then you can boil them very well, and it can boil very quickly, guys. Yeah. And guys, you see, I did like this. I separated small because when you put here a lot, when you are boiling these things, they always how do you call, they become more, okay, they become many. So you can see this, that it's too small, but when I boil them, it can reach here. Yes, that's why I'm leaving this space. I'm supposed to leave the space, this is the space that I'm leaving. You see, those are space that I'm leaving so that they can boil and cook very well. And now guys, this is what I told you I'm going to do. You see, you put like that. You see guys, now beans are there and we have green grams, and they cannot mix together. When it's cooked, when you look at them, uh, they will be okay. Okay, they will be okay. You cannot find these ones inside the beans, no. And after it's already cooked, I will leave them for some moment to cool down, and then after cooling down, I'm going to cut them into tins. Yeah, we have some pots here that we always put things into fridge, and then I'm going to put them into fridge so that anytime we need to eat them, we will be removing small, right? Yeah. So that is it, and I have to add more water. Yeah, that's enough, guys. That's enough. Yeah. Yeah, so that is it, and yeah, now they are okay. Now let me go and put on the fire. Let me go and put on the fire so that we can start boiling this stuff.
Just wanna be with you. Just wanna be with you. Just wanna, just wanna be with you. Just wanna, just wanna, just wanna be with you. Be with you. Just wanna, just wanna, just wanna be with you. 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 Just wanna, just wanna be with you. Just wanna,
Please guys, subscribe and like my videos, okay? And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Yeah. So guys, I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. Let me open this room. It's making a lot of noise. I think I'm supposed to open for him. Yeah, so guys, I'm done now. I will just wait for my beans and my green grams to boil. I'm removing them from the sun. Now guys, you can see those. And that is the jiko now. Yeah, you can see how it is. Yeah, so guys, that is how it is. Now I have to boil. I have to wait for them to boil, and after that, when it's now cold, I'll put them into fridge. Yeah, and that's my job for today. Yeah, so guys, you just watch until the end, okay?
Like I woke up in a ditch, like I was run over by a train. I've been looking for ways to get up, but I've been hungry for days. Thinking, is this what I deserve? God, I really don't know, but I keep looking for ways to get up. Look what my struggles pay. Praying for the rain to stop, praying for a fairy, you know. I've been looking for ways to get up, but my hunger won't leave. But then, when it couldn't get any worse, the tables turned, and now I'm staring down my way to get up. Such a beautiful scene. Now the tables have turned,
Hi guys, that's Brenda. Guys, that's Brenda. You can see what Brenda is doing. Brenda is washing the car. Brenda, is this your car? May have no car. So guys, you can see how Brenda is washing. Brenda is washing the car. Guys, I left my stuffs boiling. I left them boiling. Now I'm outside here watching Brenda wash the car. And yeah, and we have construction people there. Yeah, they are constructing. And guys, this is my boss car. This is a car to my boss. You can see how it looks. So guys, how do you suggest? Brenda is doing a good work, right? So, Brenda, you're a good girl or a bad girl? You're a good girl. So guys, Brenda is just uh, washing the car, and I have done my part. I hope you have seen already. I have done my part. Now I'm here watching Brenda. I hope that I can help her, but I can't do that because it's her work. Yeah. We nakwambia, si jua ni kali hadi inanichoma kwa uso. Hii jua inanichoma kwa uso. Okay guys, let me now go inside. Let me enter inside, do other things. Eh? Napiga maharagwe nimechanganya na ndengu, lakini nimeweka ndengu ndani ya karatasi. Unajua kuboil hivyo? Kuboil hivyo. Unachukua maharagwe unaweka ndani ya sufuria. Unachukua ndengu unaweka ndani ya karatasi, ndani ya paper, nylon. And then unatoboa toboa na toothpick, then unaweka ndani ya hiyo sufuria, the same sufuria, alafu una boil. Hata unaweza changanya na kila kitu, but haziwezi changanyika pamoja. Kila kitu na boil peke yake. Kuliko una boil maharagwe utoe, tena uweke ndengu utoe, tena sijui uweke nini utoe, una boil tu pamoja. Unaelewa? That's what I did. Wacha mimi niende nikacheze na Romy huko ndani. Sawa, tuonane. So guys, bye. Brenda refused to talk to you guys, so see you later.
A few moments later.
So guys, I'm done. You can see this is beans. Beans are it's ready now, and yeah, see how ndengu is. This is Greengrams, and guys, you see they are not mixed up. They are still separated because what I did. I think you see, and guys, you can still try. You can still try what I did if you want to do it, because you know, guys, warming things differently, separately, it gonna make you how do I explain this, but please try and do what I did, and maybe it can work for you. Yeah, so guys, please just subscribe. Remember to subscribe, like, share. You know, this is the end. You can see the jiko. That's the jiko now. It's done working. Now let it relax there. Yeah, so guys, this is the compound where I live, where I call home right now. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for your support. Remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'm going to be thankful. I will appreciate a lot, and I will never take that for granted. Bye.